Hey, this is Logan with Full Sail. I'm going to show you one quick tip to keep people on your website longer. Now, candidly, most contractors actually get this one thing wrong, so I'm going to show you how to do it the proper way, and more importantly, how to do it the improper way. So stick with us, and you'll see exactly what's getting done. Now, what the one tip is this: social media icons. Everybody loves to put social media icons at the top of their website, but in reality, your website's meant for one thing, and that's to actually sell people. So once they come to your website, the last thing you want to do is say, go somewhere else, right? So I want to show you how you actually do put social media icons on your website properly. Then I'm going to show you exactly how most contractors do it, which is actually hurting you in the long run. So first off, should you even put social media icons on your website? Only if you actually update it. Because the last thing that you want to do is put on there a Facebook logo that says, go check out our Facebook, and then they get there and you haven't updated it in 3 months, okay? So whatever channels that you are using right now, only put those up there. As a contractor, nobody's going to check your stuff out on Twitter. So don't bother with that, all right? At this point, I would put on there Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest, okay? Those are like the big four, because for contracting, for the most part, it's a very visual thing. People want to see it. Okay, so those are really, if you had to focus on a few of them, those are the big four. All right, so let me show you on a website we just finished how to actually position these social media icons so it doesn't take away from the whole selling of the potential customer. All right, so when they come on there, you'll notice you don't see anything. There's no logos anywhere. You come down, you come down, you come down, boom, at the bottom, kind of hidden. And that's how it's done. All right? The people that really want to find this stuff out and find your social media, they will. They're going to find it. But if you get somebody to your website, which is not easy these days, and then the first thing you do is show them an icon that says go somewhere else, well, once you get on Facebook, what happens? You get down this black hole of checking out cat videos and stuff, and nobody's going to stay and buy from you. So when they're on your website, keep them on the website. Don't send them anywhere else. So this is how we do it. Get to the bottom, you'll see they have Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Kind of hidden, dark, but it does help if people want to go check it out because they're actually searching for this stuff. Now let me show you how most contractors do it. Now I just changed this up on this website just to show you. At the top, you see that the very first thing that you're going to see is going to be those logos. All right, and what's even worse is on mobile. When you get on a cell phone, this stays at the top. So let me show you, see if I can pull this out. Let's see if it'll do it for me. iPhone X. See, the very first thing that this does at the top. So imagine you're on your cell phone and you see these icons at the top. So the very first thing that we ask you to do on the website is, hey, go check us out somewhere else. And you may be thinking, well, people are going to go from my website to my Facebook. My Facebook is linked to my YouTube. My YouTube is linked to my Instagram, and my Instagram is linked back to my website. So they're going to go in this path. You got like one chance to make this thing right, to get people on your website, convert them over. All right, if you send them off to the black hole of Facebook or YouTube or wherever that is, it's going to be tough to get them back. All right, so keep them here on the website. Do not fall for this, well, I have to show them that I'm social and that I'm cool, because it will not work out in the end. So if you're going to put social media icons on there, one, make sure you actually put only the social media channels that you're updating and you're focusing on, and two, keep them kind of hidden. Keep them down at the bottom, and this one quick tip or trick is going to help you keep people on your website without encouraging them and sabotaging yourself to go somewhere else. If you like this video and you think this is something that could really help you, do us a favor. Hit the subscribe button, because when you hit subscribe, it will actually help our channel out immensely. All right, the way that YouTube works is when you do the subscribe, it says, hey, this is great. And our whole goal is to help contractors just like you grow their businesses with little quick tips like this. So that way you'll be able to retire exactly how you want. So do us a favor, subscribe, and drop us a comment of, let's do this, your favorite social media that you use for your business. I know for our clients, it's Pinterest. Pinterest works awesome. but I'm curious to see if you use Facebook or Instagram or any of those work better. Let me know. Thanks.